The Softail Deluxe, one of the most self-assured big twins, has a very low seat with folding sides, a pull-back handlebars and riser, and an extensible, easy-to-reach support. Many drivers adore the strong and well-balanced twin-cam 9.6 BTM gearbox with 6-speed cruising drive. Every aspect of the motorbike is beautifully styled, including the sleek headlamp blade, tombstone taillights, chrome grips and baggage racks, lace-up wheels, and broad white wall tires. Cyclists now have the choice to install anti-lock braking systems as part of a new safety package options, enhancing the functioning of each of these forms. These large, antique fenders serve more purposes than merely keeping your neck clear of the muck. They impart a distinctive Softail line and cruise contour to your Deluxe. You receive mouth-watering chrome front and rear fender tips, tapering chrome rear struts, and a sizable surface for creative painting. There is also lots of flexibility to add your own unique rails, skirts, and tips. The Softail Deluxe version maintains sophistication while incorporating its own unique design. Just take a look at the chopsticks at the front, hidden behind the enormous 7-inch headlamp's big front prong. The handlebars have chrome pullback risers for comfortable reach and are made of strong stainless steel. The front is still thick and strong in the classic Softail form. The retro broad whitewall tires on the high-end trailing wheels are one of the Softail Deluxe the model's distinguishing aesthetic elements. These thick rubber rollers from Harley-Davidson are the ideal retro touch from the 50s boulevard appearance that ups the ante in any situation. Without compromising handling or achievement, old-school fashion in its whole vintage style. This low-profile chrome taillight housings are a nod to Harley-Davidson's past while resting on the fenders. Those flashing red tombstones are the last things they'll see as you drive out into the darkness, flanked by sleek silver bullet turn indicators. The unobtrusive luggage rack, which is unique to the Softail Deluxe version and extends from behind the passenger seat, is the ideal synthesis of form and function. The basic design is incredibly practical for traveling. It retains your most priceless carry-on and adds additional chrome shine for good measure. The speedometer, odometer, and extra screens for gear and RPM provide you with the information you need right away. When you lean into it slightly, you want a rumbling ride rather than pleading for mercy. A more effective correlation between engine adjustments and road speed is achieved with the help of the 6-speed cruise drive gearbox, which offers quiet, smooth gear shifts and lowers engine speed on the highway. When the motorcycle replies in this fashion, which is unusual to happen during a ride, you can clear the path ahead with a low growl. Stopping power has two meanings for Softail Deluxe versions with the optional ABS. The ABS components are well concealed inside the wheel hubs, allowing you to maintain your attention with a tidy, slick appearance. More significantly, you get assurance in the saddle knowing that your bike will perform as required. Offered as a component of the security package, which also includes the HD Smart Security Systems. The electronic safety systems on the vehicle are automatically armed and disabled as you go closer to and farther away from the motorcycle with the next-generation factory-installed safety system's hands-free fob. Place the fob on your keychain for the activation and let it handle everything. The safety features and meticulous attention to detail are what set Harley-Davidson bikes apart. Available as a part of the security package, which also includes anti-lock braking. Harley-Davidson uses cutting-edge technology without compromising on design or performance. Therefore, we conceal the circuitry. The motorbike's treasures, including the tank, engines, and all the other magnificent elements you'd love to see, are ingeniously concealed by a complex network of connections. This is just another example of how the motor company goes above and beyond to provide their bikes the best fit, polish, and quality. On Harley-Davidson bikes, the hand controls are fairly simple to use. Turn signals automatically cancel, and they know how long to be active dependent on your motorcycle's speed and inclination. It doesn't take long for using the controls to become second nature, allowing you to pay more attention to enjoying the journey than to turning off the signal.